Hey guys, Country Mouse here. We're going to do some adjusting here. Welcome to my pond. Alright, we are going to do Glossybox. Let you know, Glossybox is a $21 a month subscription, and you get some full-size, deluxe size of brands that you may have never heard of. Now, it does come monthly, and honestly, I'm canceling my subscription. I've had the subscription since February of 2017, and I'm canceling it. I love the boxes, but the products, if you are wanting more skincare, hair care, nail care, and all that, this would be the box for you. It's a good starter box for that kind of stuff, but there is other boxes out there that can do all that. I'm just now learning this. But the box looks like this, and the artist is amazing. And we have beach please. I don't want beach please. I want, give me 4 feet worth of mud. You hear the frogs? But give me 4 feet deep of mud and my four-wheeler. Any day, every day, and I would be there. Alright, so, hey, shh. Apparently the froggies and stuff want to be in the video too. I'm trying to change up the scenery. I'm getting bored sitting in that beauty room. It is finally beautiful out here today. So you're going to see this shirt a lot because it's the same day. Like literally back to back. Shh. Alright, this is awkward. I'm sitting on my knees. I couldn't get to my chairs. Alright, so we have it looking like this. It does come with a little booklet. This lady right here is the artist of the boxes. And she has her own YouTube channel. Look up Sarah Bolton. I will leave it down below. She does a lot of amazing drawings. And on the inside here we have your product list, the full size price, and how much product is in that full size. This month it looks like this. They got a little messy here. We got a bow. Something smells highly of perfume. And let's see what we got here. And it says introducing Setz. Setz. Like there's 2 sets of those items. Those kind of sets. Blot and translucent powder, single dose cosmetic compact, bye bye oil and shine. It smells kind of perfumey. Maybe it's something else in the box. Hopefully nothing leaked. Get out of here, sweat baby. Oh, it comes with 3 of those thingies right there. And since I have no idea what it is, let's learn a little something about it. It says full size would be $3.99, and that comes with 5 packets. Guess those are the packets. And carry a purse full of makeup ruins an outfit. So these tiny one-time use packages are perfect for when you're on the go. The silky powder not only helps blot away excess oil, but it will... You bite me again, I swear to God, I'm going to bite you. Oh, get off of there. You don't need on screen either. Alright, blot away excess oil, but it locks in your makeup for lasting look. Okay. Never heard of this brand. Never tried it before. I'm curious. Why do I feel like I'm sitting in the dark? Can you guys see me? I hope you can see me. Alright, the next thing we have is something I know and love. We are going to raise this up. And my husband's going to be coming up the driveway and he's going to be like, why is she on her knees down at the pond? Don't worry about it. We have Not Your Mother's Beach Babe texturizing sea salt spray diffused with deep sea salt and sea kelp. I like Not Your Mother's, well, I actually love it, stuff. I have not had any problems with their stuff yet. That smells like coconut and sunscreen. How is that sea salt and sea kelp? I'm not going to spray that because I just freshly dyed my hair and I don't want to put anything on my hair for the next 3 days. So sorry about that, guys. It says the Beach Babe texturizing sea salt spray is $3, and that's 2 ounces that you get. Somebody's coming up my driveway. Did you see them? Ugh. Alright, Grow Gorgeous Hair Care. I need to grow just this half over here. So it's equal to this half. Alright, what we got? It says Scalp Detox full size be $34, and that's 3 ounces. Getting rid of your split ends. Boop. Get out here, sweat bee. Is Healthy Hair 101, but your scalp is where growth starts, so it's time to start showing some love. I'm not going to show that thing any love. If I get a hold of it, I'm going to smack that sweat bee into next week. Let's see. It's supposed to exfoliate your scalp. And apparently that will make your hair grow and give you luxurious locks. I'm very, very... I want to try this. But it's just going to have to wait. It's sad. And we have Rin Keep Young and Beautiful Instant Firming Beauty Shot. That sounds like my husband's truck. Nope. I don't know who that is, but they're on my driveway. Full size be $56, and that'd be 1 ounce. This is only 0.34 ounces. So it's a good start, I guess. And it says, we can't take you back to summer of '69. Well, of course not. I wasn't even born then. But this supercharged light serum instantly lifts and firms skin to leave you looking dramatically more youthful. A gentle massage of 2 to 3 drops will help produce new elastins to fight the aging proteins in your face, which causes sagging and wrinkling and butt head. They even have a 20% off code. I will leave that down below also, along with any links or anything for these products, but that's neat. Who is coming to my house? That is a lot of people. I don't know if my husband must be having a party or something without me. We have the Monu Eye Cool Gel. Full size would be $30, and that would be 0.5 ounces. And why do they do that? They tell you ounces on here, and because in my mind I can't quickly turn this over, it says it's 15 milliliters, so whatever that is. And it looks like that. And it says, ditch the puffiness and dark circles by dabbing 1 pump of the Eye Cool Gel around the eyes in the morning. Ginseng, vitamin C, sodium hyaluronic helps to lift, plump, and correct your skin tone so the flawless all day long. I should have stayed inside. What is with all the sweat bees? They're up at the house too. It's not just the pond back here. And the last thing that's in the box is an NCLA Los Angeles nail polish, and I've been drinking. I did not make a statement. There's a good chance there's a drink sitting up there waiting for me with all these people showing up, but it says I've been drinking. It says it's 7 free luxurious nail lacquers. Alright, where are you at? Full size would be $16, and that would be 0.5 ounces. And it's a watermelon pink nail polish. Your nails will sparkle and shine. I don't know about sparkle because I don't see no sparkle. And it's cruelty free. Alright, that is all I have. These bugs are killing me. They're eating me up. But all that I'm willing to give a try to. Some of the There was a few products in there I've never heard of, and go figure. I could cancel on it when there's a few products I've never heard of. It's okay. If they get better, I'll come back. But right now, it's not for me. If you still get Glossybox and you enjoy it, I'm not putting it down. It's just preference, right? Alright. Oh! Old me's got to stand up. Can't even help a girl up. Look at that dirty old pond. Fishies and turtles and of course you heard the frogs. Alright, that is all I have for you guys today. I do have a giveaway going on down below. You gonna walk with me? You can walk with me. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, throw a thumbs up. That helps me. Leave a comment. I like comments. I like being able to talk to people throughout the day. And I will see everybody else later. Trust me, you will see this shirt many, many times. Bye, guys.